Alright.
Really
Hold on. So apparently the song where Tommy Lee sing first, Tommy Lee expressed that he wasn't even talking about MASICKA the DJ. He was saying it made MASICKA look like a mosquito. So pretty much he's saying that he made a MASICKA, which is a crime, like killing whole people, look small. And then I guess he's saying that MASICKA take it up on him in an answer. So now Tommy Lee actually have a diss song for MASICKA. Let's go. Alright, if you like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Fish and crooks in the swamp, pussy on him. Shit more better to fuck. Man, killer subs in the sand. Crocodile and dead meat in the swamp. Marks and secrets say fuck.
I'm a
you
bad boy, I'm a
and
bad.
you still up here alone for your land. Done fool car bail if I come for your van. Fish and crooks swimming on the same pan. Which king pussy wanna concuss? Rich like oh, nigga talk up. We have land that the money and clubs.
Hold on. Come here. Pull up. Baby yourself. Come again.
Big city you come from now. Big and promise tell me everything you know.
You really wanna get so big in life.
You can't come back a big city. I go and shall go poke you.
You can't be a goat and a king one time.
Don't play with me artist, Tommy Lee.
Fish and crooks in the swamp, pussy on him. Shit more better to fuck. Man, killer subs in the sand. Crocodile and dead meat in the swamp. Marks our secrets say fuck you and him. Rich way, and you still up here alone for your land. Done fool car bail if I come for your van. Fish and crooks swimming on the same pan. Which king pussy wanna concuss? Rich like oh, look a nigga talk up. We have land that the money and
Like, comment, share, subscribe. The war is on.
rich and silence and the time off. We pop money on the punch up. Fuck your Barbie and the time set. Fucking lame, I saw make you get born. Yeah, be a green. Now watch you ball in a prison style. I feel me free, top your yard fully with all your fans. Anything where you serve, things them are your guide. Look green fire and shake the sky. The motor don't be funny rifle, me testify. On a 1, 2, 3, or 10.
Yo. Me tell you, Nino. Tommy Lee is not a man when he can think he's a walkover. I have said this before. Alright, like, comment, share, subscribe.
If I'm here, this mood I make it slide. I'm here, this one I will die. Richest murderer, we not give a fuck. And no demons could have been a crux. We lose ballers today with the top. Any funny move where rifle up in the fuck. Get a fuck, I ain't shine, I only know me cut. If war could have blood.
What?
Just pat on the phone, nigga. Tryna make me buck up on the road, you know.
Bumbo Claude, keep it musical. Keep it musical. Don't come with it, make me buck up on the road. MASICKA said, no, Tommy Lee said, please keep it musical. Keep it musical. Alright. You're fucking right. Him idol is me artist Idonia. And him said that. Thank you very much.
Certain code, you know. You see a climax of your portfolio. When you're rich for the title, they show me no. Voice a squeak like somebody hold your throat. Splitting throat and curry your goat. Bitch, I'm bad for soon.
Come again, be artist.
On the phone, nigga. Tryna make me buck up on the road, you know. Me know say your idol, I don't know. You know certain code, you know. You see a climax of your portfolio. When you're rich for the title, they show me no. Voice a squeak like somebody hold your throat. Splitting throat and curry your goat. Bitch, I'm bad for soon, not talk no. No more be a man, couldn't be the crew. But money, I will take drugs. LSD, that memory time, so me ever go sober, me turn in a psycho. When you grow, we grew up, so that's why you're hype, so you have it about coke, that's why you ever glass up. But you were hype from ups, you locked down and coke out. Come on, bro, you know you were free. You lick the pussy in a man, that body crazy. You know you grow good, cause you fat.
Boy, it sound like Tommy Lee have a blood clot. List of things, boy, you're my dog.
Have like a cheese. My good old father, and I'm never mind.
Come on, play that back. Listen again.
Ups, you locked down and coke out. Come on, bro, you know you were free. You lick the pussy in a man, that body crazy. You know you grow good, cause your father have like a cheese. My good old
MASICKA never grew up no rough life. That's why I don't like when MASICKA come sing about him struggle and whatever. The only struggle MASICKA struggle was busting in music. That's the only struggle MASICKA had, busting in music. Still me artist, but we now come pet no boy or play no bias or whatever the case is. We talk truth, we talk facts, and we give you honest reviews. Come on.
Father, no man never mind me. What you do? You rap or you email me. Come and know you a nerd and gangster what the be. Everything you do, you know you want to say it before me. That clever. Shut up projection, man. Me a bet $1 million. One of your fans can't sing one of your songs till it done. We serve a bag of carnal.
Alright, Tamale, come on now. I'm pretty sure you have an artist. I'm pretty sure MASICKA have a fan that can sing a song from start to end. You see me? Me can sing whole if I do that song from start to end. I don't know about that from theme side. But I'm pretty sure that there's at least one fan.
Where you turn, your ego too big, to see enough of you. Me see a bag of family everywhere me turn. When me look for see a MASICKA, when me no see none. When I size you, pussy go sit down. Teacher, bigger can't fit in 9 crown. You.
Doctor teacher head bigger can't fit in a crown, MASICKA. Teacher head too big for your head fit in a crown, my dog.
Me rich but I never, me no sign to labor, me no work for people. You worship crown, house, land and vehicle. Hope for you dead, them bury them with you. Shoot put a collar on the road, me no need you. Me there prison, me I run it black with the evil. Remember, me a real friend and bill. Teacher say I feel it, oh. Hey, we have to put him on the dirt. Suck your mother, you. I will be the destroyer. Oh dear. In Africa, club MASICKA, we have some young destroyer. Remember, some MASICKA look like MASICKA.
Remember, you know, man say, I have some young destroyer. Family have some young man around him. That's why I say I hope them keep it musical. Because it's not necessarily the artist, it's the followers sometimes. Alright.
I will be the destroyer. Oh dear. In Africa, club MASICKA, we have some young destroyer. Remember, some MASICKA look like MASICKA. I chat about one big crime, make MASICKA look small. You understand?
Alright. So like me saying at the beginning of the video, I don't think the first jam that people think Tamale took was at MASICKA. Like he said, he was trying to emphasize on making a MASICKA look like a masquita. So he make a big crime look small pretty much. You see me? But look at MASICKA, he get the wrong message, boy.
Yeah, try freak you, okay, what I tell. I understand boy freak things still, because maybe, you know, say, I in your face, climax get her name, you see?
Alright. So, let me be honest. The song here, my guitar 9.5. My guitar 9.5. Let me say the war just start, but both artists have 2 good songs. You see me? 2 good songs. So, let me know what you think. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know who you think take the first round. I'm going to say Tamale took the first round. Comment down below, let me know who you think.